Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon and click on restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down, open again quick settings panel and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update. Download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, again click on settings app and click on general management and click on reset and scroll down to and click on factory data reset, and you will see click on reset. After you click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.